Start your morning right. Train yourself to be consistent. Welcome to your morning moment, a time to reset, recharge, and realign with your goals. Today, we focus on a simple but powerful idea: consistency. Consistency is the bridge between your dreams and your reality. Consistency doesn't mean being perfect. It means choosing to show up every day, even when motivation fades. It means building habits that support your growth, step by step, day by day. Imagine your life as a garden. Each consistent effort is like planting a seed. Over time, those seeds grow into strong roots and beautiful flowers. Without watering them regularly, they cannot thrive. So how can you train yourself to be consistent? It starts with small actions. Begin your morning with a simple practice. It might be a deep breath, a moment of gratitude, or repeating a positive affirmation. Let's try it now. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Now, silently repeat after me. I am committed to my growth. I show up for myself every day. Small steps lead to big changes. I am consistent and I am capable. You don't have to conquer everything at once. Celebrate every small victory. Every day you choose to be consistent. Remember, it's not about speed, but steady progress. Your consistency builds confidence, resilience, and momentum. Let's reflect for a moment. What's one simple habit you can commit to doing every morning? It might be journaling, stretching, drinking water, or reading a few pages of a book. Choose that habit now. See it clearly in your mind. From today onward, nurture that habit. Train yourself gently and patiently. When you miss a day, don't give up. Get back on track the very next morning. Consistency is your superpower. As you step into your day, carry this mindset with you. I am consistent. I grow stronger every day. I am unstoppable. If this message inspired you, please like this video and subscribe for more daily affirmations and motivation. Share it with someone who needs a little encouragement this morning. Comment below. What habit will you commit to today? I'd love to hear from you and support your journey. Thank you for starting your morning with me. Remember, consistency is the key to your transformation. See you tomorrow